Thank you so much, guys.
Galit siya dito niya. No quality ba? Yung ikaw ay yung business niya. Kasi may next year pa, diba? Bili tayo dito. Oo, kung nga lang. Oo, parang sagot na yun. Hindi, passion lang kasi yun.
Thank you so much, guys.
Isang araw lang pagiging ano yun.
Kaya madali ka malasing, malikot. So ayan guys, mag-end na ako. Nag-music na sila dito. Oh. Sige, thank you so much guys. Mag-shoutout na ako guys. No stranger to danger. Thank you so much Sis Arian. Thank you so much. Sis Lance, thank you so much. Ultra Speed Rider, thank you so much. And Arhan Bunsay, thank you so much. Sis Laila Ventura, thank you so much. Kusina ni Mael, thank you so much. And lamig. Ang lamig guys, lamig na. So ayan, shoutout na ako. No stranger. Tapos sino pa kanina dito? Si 20CH, thank you so much. Sis Life, thank you so much. Sino pa yung iba kanina? Thank you so much everyone. Sis Ying, thank you so much. Brudik Lakin09, thank you so much. And Chulihatan, thank you so much. Australian Karna, thank you so much. Jin White, thank you so much Sis Jin White. Thank you so much. Oh, sino pa yung iba? Yung mga dito kanina guys, thank you so much. EL3, thank you so much. Thank you everyone. Almin Speed, Asper Fishing, thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Sino pa kanina? Michelle, thank you so much is Michelle Suit. Ina Mix Vlog, thank you so much. That's all. Thank you so much all. Sa mga andito kanina, thank you so much everyone.